Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And in this video I will tell you more about the PEEP token. This is a universal gaming token which is built on the Ethereum blockchain and is connected to the Fruitlab platform. So I will tell you more about it, how it works, and why you should be part of it. So currently there is no universal mechanism for value transfer in the gaming industry, and many games and platforms have their own in-game currencies, and the problem is that you finally you have your budgets in all these platforms. And of course, it's way more comfortable and convenient to have one thing, one place that connects all that. And there is the PEEP. And it is designed actually to solve these problems by providing a common currency that can be used as a method of value transfer between gamers and multiple games. So it is secure, it is decentralized, and it is transparent. So users of the Fruitlab can earn PEEP from posting content, watching content, and from playing the games integrated into the platform. And currently 6 titles including Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Rocket League. PEEP can be used to challenge other users to games for value, to donate to content creators, or to purchase gaming credit via the Fruitlab store. So the Fruitlab in particular has been operational since 2019 and has an established user base of over 780,000 users, and over 2 million items of video content have been uploaded, which have been viewed more than 1 billion times. And the recent edition of tournament play has seen over 1,100,000 PEEP won by Fruitlab users. So actually the platform Fruitlab is available on the web, on iOS, and on Android. And to date, there have been over 1 million PEEP transactions by users of Fruitlab, with $100,000 in value transacted. So as I mentioned previously, you can play a game supported by Fruitlab Gaming. Then you can create content to earn PEEPs and watch. Users earn PEEPs from watching content. You earn it and you get it. So PEEP demand economics. B2B, that is advertising and sponsorship, and B2C, that is actually esports entry fees, in-game purchases, and NFTs. What else? Let's talk about PEEP allocation. So total supply of 3.3 billion PEEPs is gonna be presented, and 21% goes to private token sales, 7.5% existing ecosystem, 36.5% user incentive pool, PEEPs available for mining for to incentivize user adoption and growth, 10% public token sales, 15% PEEP limited, and 10% team, subject to a 1-year lockup and 2-year vesting schedule. So there are other places where you can get all the important information that you can get about this platform and about the token from Fruitlab. But there is universal in-game currency, inbuilt esports and play to earn, content and social. And except for their website, which I put the link below this video, there is also another way to get information and get updated. That is Twitter. If you want to stay updated and know the latest news about the PEEP, you need to follow them on Twitter. So, PEEP is arriving on exchanges on the second quarter of 2023, and there are other things that you might want to know, and of course, it's upcoming. It's gonna be available very soon, so you need to be you need to stay on, you need to be ready for this, and you need to be part of it. So if you really love games and if you really love everything which is connected to gaming industry and you want to be part of it and you want to invest and get very good profit, that's the place for you to get engaged. Thank you very much for watching this video and I wish you good luck. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.